Number 64. Which bond in each of the following pairs of bonds is the strongest? And then we have a CC single bond or a CC double bond. So we have either a single bond between two carbons or a double bond between two carbons. Which one is the strongest? Well, the first thing we should just identify is what is the difference between these two pairs of bonds? They're both bound between carbon and carbon, so that's not the difference. The only difference that I see is that one is a single bond and the other one is a double bond. So that's going to be the factor between which one of those bonds is the strongest one. Well, we just need to know that basically the idea here is that if you want to find out the strongest bond, the number of bonds that you have, as you add them, you get stronger. It's kind of like, holding hands, right? If you and somebody are holding one pair of hands, right, you can still be, a little bit farther away from each other. But if you have both hands holding together between two people, you're totally closer together, you're stronger. Two bonds are better than one. So, the stronger the bond, the more bonds. And that's what we're looking for here. So if you want a stronger bond, you need to lay down more bonds to get stronger and stronger and stronger. So in this case, since the CC double bond has two bonds, and the single bond only has one bond, it's just one line, the C double bond, C, would be stronger. And that is the end for this question. How simple is that? Thank you so much for viewing the video. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. Thank you so much, and I hope you're having a great day. Keep studying hard, and I'll talk to you soon, all right? Okay, until then, bye-bye.